Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com, located in the tranquil hills of Stony Hill at Simpson Close in St. Andrew. Is this 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom home with charm and character? There is a wraparound veranda which enables a stunning view of the city. The windows are all bay windows. There is a large entertainment deck where friends and family can gather and enjoy the captivating views. It sits on 0.22 acres of land. This is an ideal family home that lends itself to perfect harmony and comfort. Call today to make an appointment to make it your own. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 690,000 or Jamaican $106.1 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.